Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy that you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and today's topic is meeting new people. This is such an important skill because it's a great way to practice English in real life.
Yes, meeting new people can be exciting, but sometimes it makes us nervous, especially when speaking English.
Oh, I remember my first time talking to a stranger in English. I was so shy and afraid of making mistakes. My hands were shaking and my voice was really quiet.
That's totally normal. Most learners feel that way. But the more you practice, the easier it gets. Talking to new people helps you grow, learn new words, and build confidence.
Exactly. So today, we'll show you how to start a conversation, what to say, and how to sound friendly and confident.
Great! Let's start with greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, "Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you."
And the other person can say, "Nice to meet you too." Then you can ask, "How are you?" Or, "Where are you from?"
Let's try it together. "Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too, Anna. How are you today?
"I'm great, thanks. How about you?"
I'm doing well, thank you.
See, it's simple and friendly. You can also share a little about yourself, like where you're from or what you do.
Yes, for example, I'm from Cambodia and I'm an English student. Or, I'm from Vietnam and I work in an office.
Then you can ask a question back to keep the conversation going, like, "What do you do?" Or, "Do you live around here?"
Asking questions shows that you're interested in the other person. People love it when you ask about their life.
And remember to listen carefully. Don't just wait to talk, listen and respond.
Right. You can say small words like, "Oh, really?" Or, "That's cool." Or, "Wow, that's nice," to show that you're listening.
Those little reactions make you sound more natural and friendly.
Another great way to connect is to find something in common. If someone says, "I love traveling," you can say, "Me too. Where do you like to go?"
Or if they say, "I love movies," you can say, "Oh, really? What kind of movies do you like?"
When you find something in common, it's easier to keep talking and feel comfortable.
And don't forget body language. Smile, make eye contact, and stay relaxed. It helps you look confident, even if you feel nervous.
Yes, and nodding or laughing a little makes you look friendly and interested.
Let's try an example. Imagine we're meeting at a cafe.
Okay. Hi there. Is this seat taken?
"Oh, no, it's free. Please sit down."
Thanks. I'm Tom, by the way.
"Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Anna."
Nice to meet you too, Anna. How are you today?
"I'm great, thanks. How about you?"
I'm doing well, thank you.
See, it's simple and friendly.
Exactly. Just a few friendly questions, and you can start a real conversation.
And don't worry about small mistakes. Most people don't care. What matters is that you're trying.
Right. It's about communication, not perfection.
And if you don't understand something, just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" It's polite and shows that you're listening.
That's a great phrase. And don't be afraid to ask questions. People appreciate your effort.
Meeting new people also helps you learn about other cultures, ideas, and even new words.
True. Every new person you meet can teach you something.
So, don't be shy. Say hello, smile, and start talking. That's the best way to practice English.
Real conversations are the best lessons.
Let's try another example at a park. "Hi, do you come here often?"
Yes, I come every morning for a walk.
"That's nice. I like walking too. What do you enjoy most about this park?"
I love watching the birds and flowers. Sometimes I meet new people here as well.
"Me too. I met someone last week and we talked about food and travel."
That's great! Sharing hobbies or interests is an easy way to keep talking.
And funny things happen sometimes. Once I said, I like dogs, and the person said, I like cats. We laughed and then talked about pets for 10 minutes.
That's perfect. Small stories make conversations interesting.
Another place to practice is on the bus. Hi, is this bus going downtown?
Yes, it is. Are you going to work or school?
Work. I hope it's not too crowded today.
Me too. I always worry about the bus.
Even small conversations like this help you practice English.
You can also try online chats. Hi, I'm Tom. I noticed you like movies. What kind of movies do you like?
Hi, Tom. I love comedies and adventure films. How about you?
I like adventure too. I just watched a movie about traveling in Japan.
Oh, really? I love Japan. Did you see the cherry blossoms in the film?
Yes, they were beautiful. I want to visit one day.
See, even online, conversations can be natural and fun.
Let's not forget about listening. You can say small words like, wow, or, oh, really, or, that's cool, when someone is talking.
And try to find something in common. If they like something, you can say, me too. Tell me more about it.
Let's try another example. Hi, I'm Tom. What do you do in your free time?
Hi, Tom. I like painting and reading.
That's nice. I like reading too. What kind of books do you enjoy?
I love adventure and mystery books. And sometimes I draw scenes from my favorite stories.
Wow, that's really creative. I like adventure books too. Who is your favorite author?
I like J.K. Rowling. She's amazing.
Me too. We have the same taste.
You see, small conversations can turn into friendships.
And English is a great way to connect with people all around the world.
So, dear listeners, don't be afraid to meet new people. Smile, ask questions, and enjoy learning from every conversation.
This week, try to start at least one new conversation. It can be with a classmate, a coworker, or even someone online.
And if you feel nervous, take a deep breath, smile, and just try. Even a small hi is a good start.
You can prepare a few simple questions like, where are you from? Or, what do you do? Or, do you like music?
And when you answer, give details. Don't just say, I like music. Say, I like pop music, especially Taylor Swift. That makes conversations more fun.
I met a traveler last week. We talked about food, music, and travel, and I even learned a few Japanese words.
Amazing! That's why meeting new people is so valuable. You can make friends, practice English, and learn about the world.
So, don't be shy. Even if your English isn't perfect, people will appreciate your effort.
And remember, real conversations are the best way to learn English.
Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment.
Yes, tell us your story. When did you meet someone new in English, and how did it go?
Your comments might help other learners feel more confident too.
So, don't wait. Subscribe, share, and keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, and remember, every new person is a new chance to learn, grow, and make your English stronger.